Greetings, it's stdcl here, and today I am going to be showing you how to validate a postcode using C++. So in this tutorial we will be using a regex, and we'll be using a regex for a UK postcode. However, you can swap for regex and you can validate a postcode for any country you want. So let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you import iostream, string and regex because we'll be needing these for this tutorial. Then in our main method we have string user input equals SW10AA. That's just a postcode in the UK, just a random one, nothing significant about it. And this string represents our user input. This tutorial does not cover how to get user input, only how to validate it, but click the eye up in the corner for a tutorial on how to get user input using C++. It synergizes perfectly with this tutorial. After that we're doing stdcl, std bool alpha is valid postcode user input. Don't worry about this part, we'll be doing that in a second. Bool alpha just basically means any booleans are printed as true and false as opposed to 1 and 0, and cout is just printing stuff to the console. So we're going to do for our function bool is valid postcode, std string postcode. It's going to return a true or a false, true for valid, false for invalid. Is valid postcode is for name. Std string postcode is going to be our parameter we're passing in. It's going to be the postcode we want to validate, and it's going to be a string. After that we're going to do std regex pattern. This beautiful string of characters, don't worry, it will be in the description below so you can copy and paste it, but this is a regex for a UK postcode. And then we do return std regex underscore match postcode and pattern. So you might be thinking, Max, what's all of this? Well, basically, this regex is a string that has a set of rules or a pattern, and we can check if a string matches the rules or the pattern defined by the regex. So we pass our postcode in here because that's what we want to check, and pattern is going to be the pattern or the set of rules we're going to check against. And that's basically what a regex does. And that's it for this tutorial, so we're going to click play, and it's true, because that postcode is a UK postcode. We're going to then remove the space from the middle, and it's also true. This particular regex doesn't care if we put a space in this postcode or not, because in the UK you can put a space in the middle of your postcode, or you don't have to. Either's commonly accepted. The casing also doesn't matter. Let's put in a random string of stuff. And it's false because it's not a valid postcode. Now let's lastly try some random postcode of a Tesco in Manchester. And it's true because it's a valid postcode. It's of a Tesco that's in Manchester. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more C++ tutorials. Thanks for watching.